You're looking for the best gas-powered string trimmer? Today we compare two top-tier models, the Proyama 42.7 cubic centimeter gas weed whacker and the Husqvarna 330 LK 28 cubic centimeter string trimmer. Which one is more powerful, efficient, and the best choice for your yard work? Let's find out. First up, the Proyama 42.7 cubic centimeter gas weed whacker. This beast packs a 42.7 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine, delivering 2 horsepower for extreme cutting power. It's a 3-in-1 tool, a string trimmer, a brush cutter, and a gas-powered weed eater. Plus, it's EPA certified, which means lower emissions and a more eco-friendly operation. Comfort matters, right? The adjustable handlebar, dual shoulder strap, and anti-vibration system make it easier to use for long periods. And guess what? You get a full protection kit with gloves, a face shield, and ear defenders. When you're done, the quick-release split shaft makes storage a breeze. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: high power, perfect for thick weeds and brush. Multi-purpose trimmer, cutter, and weed eater in one. Full safety kit included. 5-year warranty on the gearbox. And now the cons. It's a bit on the heavier side compared to other models. If you prefer lightweight tools, this might not be for you. Next, we have the Husqvarna 330 LK 28cc gas string trimmer. This one features a 28 cubic centimeter 2-cycle engine designed to balance power and fuel efficiency, and you get a customizable cutting width, 20 inches for large areas, or 18 inches for maximum power in dense vegetation. One big advantage, it's attachment ready. You can connect multiple Husqvarna click-on tools like edgers, pole saws, and more, and the rapid replace trimmer head makes string reloading effortless. Just align, load, and twist. It's that simple. Starting up is a breeze thanks to the spring-assisted system, which reduces pulling effort by 30%. And with low vib technology, vibration is significantly reduced, meaning less fatigue during long jobs. So how does it compare? Pros: check, lighter and more comfortable than the Proyama. Adjustable cutting width for extra versatility. Rapid replace system for easy string reloading. Less vibration. Key smoother operation. But there are a couple of downsides. It has slightly less power than the Proyama. Attachments are sold separately. Let's compare them side by side. Power: Proyama wins with 42.7 cubic centimeters versus Husqvarna's 28 cubic centimeters. Cutting width: Husqvarna offers adjustability, 18 to 20 inches. Weight: Husqvarna is lighter, making it easier to handle. Ease of use: Husqvarna's rapid replace system is a game changer. Versatility: Proyama is 3-in-1. Husqvarna requires separate attachments. So, which one is right for you? Go for the Proyama 42.7cc if you need maximum power for thick weeds and brush. You want a 3-in-1 trimmer with brush cutter functionality. You like the 5-year gearbox warranty? Choose the Husqvarna 330 LK if you prefer a lighter, more comfortable trimmer. You want faster, hassle-free string replacement. You plan to use multiple attachments for different gardening tasks. Which one is the best for you? Let us know in the comments. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on both models. Like and subscribe for more tool reviews and comparisons.